Happy good morning. So I decided to order room service because it's free for breakfast, and I was like, I'll just do this, and they gave me the wrong item. And I told the guy, I said, I didn't order all that. He was like, Sandra? I'm like, no. But whatever, I was half asleep, so I ate too much food. Yep, I got too much food. I know I got some Cheerios. I thought it was going to be in a container. Got something delicious. And yeah, I'm not going to eat all this other, some silverware. Let's see what else to do. And some fruit. Bon appetit. Well, I've made it to Half Moon Cay. Cay, whatever. It's Half Moon Cay. Rocking the Beach Please shirt today. And first stop is going to be the Bohemian Little Church. So I've made it to the end of what you can walk with Half Moon Cay on the front side facing the ship. It is beautiful, y'all. Let me do a spin. I'm standing on the rocks. My flip-flops on. There's the ship. The water is gorgeous. Look, you can see. Where we came in was like over there. So I've walked a good bit. I'll have to put it right here how far I've walked. Just this distance. It's been crazy. But worth it. Worth the views. Worth it. As I'm walking back to find some lunch, I can't think of a better song than like the Beach Boys song. Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama, come on, please, mama. I doesn't know my crazy singing, but that's what I thought of. So I made it back to get some lunch. It's a buffet. I was 2 minutes before they were closing, so in the nick of time. Sorry, I had something on my foot. But I got a cheeseburger, eating it without the bun, brownie, and some salt, chips and salsa. So that's all I wanted. I didn't want much because I've been hiking and it was forever. They offer a lot of different activities. You can see in the distance there is a paddleboarding with somebody on a bike. They have several different little like villas, little beach houses, things you can rent, and the 2-story ones, what have you. Pirate ship over there. Too many people for me over there. So I've just like isolated myself, sticking to myself, like I've done. You know, no harm in that. It's very nice. I think, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I like Perfect Day at Coco Cay better, but I mean, I know after Carnival had done that, so yeah. If they could do a remodel, or not a remodel, but add on, who knows? But still not a perfect day, but still a good day. Nice to relax and chill out. Some people watch.
Give me one more of this sweet song. Give me one more of this sweet song.
Just made it back from the tender ride over back to the ship. Now it's time to chill out before dinner. Oh, I've walked almost 6 miles today. Not even telling how many stairs just yet. I'm tired of my flip-flops, ready to throw them overboard, and I just bought them. So yeah, but I did find a little creature in my cabin when I got back. Hello. Hello. He's gonna go where he normally, or where the towel almost go. Right there. Everywhere you go, you have to scan the menu. I'll try to scan it right now. It ain't gonna work.
it. Oh baby, I can see my face when I'm with you. But I love it, but I love it. And I know some days when I'm with you. But I love it, but I love it, but I love it, but I love it.
Exercising's not bad when you have this kind of view. The sunset over there. I'm exercising. Or trying to and record. It's hard to vlog and exercise. Just a mat right there. Not easy to do every day.
I'd rather do this than get dinner. Let's go walk away.
Well, tonight has been another relaxing night. After dinner, I decided to do a little walking, like I've been doing, but I decided to wait until sunset time. So I was able to catch the end of sunset, and met this little kid who was exercising. He was not being annoying, which a lot of them haven't been on here, just saying. And he was doing some kind of little funny thing, and I'm like, okay, I can do this. So it was like a little exercise machine, like an elliptical, whatever. I'm like, shoot, I can do this, watching the wake and everything. I'm like, that works for me. So I ended up going to the sauna again, chilling out. It's really helped my forehead, clear my skin. Then I ended up going to watch the performance tonight. It was 1920 jazz stuff. Not my forte. So I decided to skip it and just chill out. So I did. And I tried to go, or I did some little shopping. And I've just chilled out, did some editing on some pictures. And now I'm about to go to bed. I have one more full day, and then I have to get off. So, remember, like and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow in Bimini. Good night.